All right. So as you can see, we have lost our big fat curly puff from yesterday, and that's okay because with the smaller curling iron, you can keep those curls in for like 3 days. Like I will literally rock this hair for 3 days, and usually today I would just tease it back up and crazy and wear it like that again. I'll get 2 big fat curly crazy afro days out of that hair. But since we usually do an updo day, I'll do a half up day today and then a full updo tomorrow. So today we will probably just do like the braid front and leave it down, I'm thinking, so we could still work with those curls. We take our front. We're gonna go over because we want the over braid. It's not so hard with the curls because they're still kind of individually curled, except for that I back comb them, so they're a bit nappy. Alright, so we got our little braid up there. I like to pull it out. See what I'm talking about? The blonde hair in the braid? You can always see blonde hair braids. Way better. It always comes out nicer than the brown hair. Sorry, brunettes, dark-haired ladies. When you add some blonde, then it pops. That's why I think everybody gets highlights in their hair so that it can pop. So you know me, putting my bobby pins in. I'll do 2 because it's a little bit fatter. So 1 on each side, just to hold it. I don't really want to do a ponytail because I want to keep my curly hair going. And then sometimes I'll just take the curls, pin them up a little bit to the braid so I can get a little bit of curl. So like this side's flat, but this side is full. So we'll just take this hair from the back, pin it up towards the braid, and it'll fill in and give it some fullness that we need. We like it big and full. And you can still, after all of that, you know how we like it. You can still make it big. And full. And then how cute is that for your second day of big fat curly hair? Well, you know, I would just wear another big fat curly afro, but we're gonna go with this today. Half up, half down, big fat curly hair, and I'll see you tomorrow when we're gonna throw it all up. Okay, like this video, subscribe, tell your friends, share the video. Let's get it out there. Everyone needs to be styling their hair this year because we're gonna look good and feel good and do good. Bye-bye.